So today I've come down to Northallerton. I'm going to do this park run this Saturday morning. It's been a long time since I've done it. In fact, I think my daughter actually did the first one, and was first woman. But here I am. It's 3 laps and it's a mixture of concrete and grass and trail. So it's going to be quite an interesting thing to do. Nice park run, really enjoyed it. Everyone brings something different, so really enjoyed this one. So yeah, that's another park run done. Like I said last week, who knows where I'm going to appear next week. Actually I do know, it's Durham. I won't be vlogging that one. It's a cook get together and our time trial, park run time trial. So I'll see you then.